Let's do a foam wash at home. And you don't even need a pressure washer. And still, you get the result that you were expecting. Let's completely restore your bike and let's see how to do it in this video. This is a handheld foam watering can from Napko. And in the box, you get this can itself, which has the water level indication on the side. And this capacity is of 2 liters. Next, you get the dispenser and the pump. The material quality seems to be good enough, at least in the initial impression. And the pump too feels very smooth to operate, and I think this can withstand for a long time. Now along with this, you also get some adapters to spray the water in different angles. Now if you are only buying this handheld foam washing kit, you only get this much. However, if you're buying the entire combo, you get this wash wax shampoo along with the microfiber cloth, which can be handheld for making the cleaning that much easier. Now I'll leave the link for purchasing this entire kit in the description below so you can check it out. Now let's go ahead and fill in some water. Once the dispenser pump is snug enough, this is ready to use. But before that, let's go to the motorcycle and I'll show you the condition. Now I have attached a single hole spray nozzle. Once the attachment is secured, you can pump in the air using the handle provided and build the pressure. Now you can rotate this nozzle to choose between spray mode or a stream mode. The stream will be of high pressure water, so based on your bike condition, you can use the same. I'll be using high stream mode wherever there is high concentration of dirt buildup or mud or grime. I'll not speak much, you can watch the ASMR video and enjoy yourself. I have used a high stream water to knock out most of the dirt from the bike, and I know there is still dirt left out. However, we'll take care of it while we use the foam cannon. Now let's get using the foam. For that, I have filled the half container with water. Now we need to mix the shampoo that has been provided in the kit. Now let's depressurize the can, and then let's replace the single hole spray nozzle with the 4-hole foam sprayer nozzle. After replacing the nozzle, let's pump it and build the pressure. Now let's get spraying. You can see how thick the foam is, and this is after spraying it down for a couple of minutes. Now let it soak for some time. This makes the dirt and grime easy to be removed. Now with the microfiber cloth provided, always start from the top of the motorcycle and work towards the bottom. Make sure that you never use a microfiber cloth that is used in the bottom to be never used on the top of the motorcycle. Now again, I'll fast forward this process for you. After wipe cleaning the entire foam, let's now go ahead and replace the foam nozzle with a single hole spray nozzle one. Meanwhile, I also have replaced the water with fresh one. Now let's rinse the motorcycle entirely and remove any of the left out dirt and grime that might be agitated by now. After rinsing your motorcycle, you can actually go ahead and dry your motorcycle with a microfiber cloth, and I'll be doing it off camera. After this, I have also used some detailing products like this matte finish protectant from Wavex and also the tire and trim restorer from Canon. I have made a detailed video on these two products. If you have not watched it, I'll leave the link for this in the description below. Now, if you're in a tight budget, you can also consider using Napko's own product of plastic restoration. This also works decent enough and give you good results. Now let's look at the final results. Hey, before signing off, if you have found this video interesting enough and if you people like this content, do consider subscribing to Archeonics and follow me on Instagram for more such interesting content.